So hello everyone. Actually, we are solving previous year GATE questions on this topic, soil water relationships. So till now we have solved two previous year questions. So in this video also I'll solve one more previous year question. So this question was appeared in 2007 and it is a 2-mark question. So as usual, we'll continue our method of solving. First we will write the given data, and after that we will use the formula which we have discussed, and we will find out the unknown parameter. So let us read the question. Yes, the water content of a saturated soil. Saturated means S is equal to 1. That you remember. The water content of a saturated soil and the specific gravity of soil solids were found out to be 30% and 2.70. So water content he has given. Water content is equal to 0.30 and specific gravity of soil solids. So GS is equal to 2.70. And also what he has given, assuming the unit weight of water to be 10 kilonewton per meter cube. That means he has given gamma W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. If nothing is mentioned, we can take 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, but he has clearly mentioned here that take gamma W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So and the saturated unit weight and the void ratio of the soil are. So he asked us to find out gamma sat is equal to how much and E is equal to how much. Gamma sat is equal to how much and E is equal to how much. These are the two things that we have to find out. So actually E can be find out very easily. We can find out very easily because we have the relationship between degree of saturation, water content and the specific gravity. So first we will find out E, and after finding out E we can calculate gamma sat, since we are having one more relationship in terms of gamma sat and E, which includes GS and W also. So first we will quickly find out E. So E, we have formula E into S is equal to GS into W. So simply we can remember by using Sehwag. E into S is equal to GS into W. So E we have to find out. S how much we can take? S is equal to 1 because he has clearly mentioned that it is a saturated soil. So G is equal to 2.70, that also he has given 2.70 into water content 0.30. So calculate E. So E is equal to 2.70 into 0.30. So E is coming out to be 0.81. So void ratio can be calculated. We have calculated. So next thing, what we have to calculate? Second one, gamma sat we have to calculate. So saturated unit weight is equal to, we have a formula like GS plus SE into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. G we know 2.70 plus saturated soil. So S is equal to 1. So 1 into E has already given, means we calculated 0.81 into gamma W 10 kilonewton per meter cube divided by 1 plus 0.81. So gamma sat, calculate gamma sat. So 0.81 into 10 plus 2.70 divided by 1 plus 0.81. 1 plus 2.70 plus 0.81 into 10, 35.1 divided by 1.81. okay, 19, this bracket is for whole. okay, this coming around to be 19.39 kilonewton per meter cube. 19.39 kilonewton per meter cube. Here the bracket is for whole this thing into gamma w. okay, so according to the given options, what which option is correct? So first option is matching, 19.4 and 0.81. so simple formula, first we will be calculating E, and after calculating E we have the relationship in terms of saturated unit weight. From that, saturated unit weight can be calculated. So this is actually very simple question. So it was given for 2 marks. So I hope this problem is clear for you. If you feel the content is useful, please like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.